Hey guys, we're getting inside real quick because it's pretty loud out here, a lot of construction going on. And we'll give you the ins and outs of this fantastic home, but we are in Cambridge Crossing today, and this is a Highland Home. And this thing seems like a really good deal to me. It's been marked down recently by $84,000, and it is $700,000, which is absolutely insane. You get 3244 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms in Cambridge Crossing, which is one of the big master plan communities out here. You got a downstairs media, 3 bedrooms up, 2 down. Looking forward to kind of showing you guys, and again, the quality of Highland. Now, what I do love is this 8-foot door as you come on in, and just some of the architectural details, especially at this price point, is really nice. I like the 2-story design with all that wrought iron. But enough about that, let's go on over here. Now, here is your first bedroom downstairs. This is decent size, but not like overwhelmingly big, but like a traditional bedroom. And then it has its own ensuite. So this would be kind of a perfect guest room, you know, if you don't need the 5 bedrooms for kids or that sort of thing. The bathroom is just a standalone shower, but I do like how the tile goes all the way up to the top there. So pretty nice.
We've got the closet right here, and then you've got a linen closet over here. So pretty good.
Pretty good. So as you come on through, I do like all this architectural design kind of. Then you've got a half bath over here, followed by, you know, coat closet and linen closet. Down here, you've got your laundry area, not too big. That's the one thing I will say about this house. It's a big house, 3244 square feet. I know a lot of clients are contacting us from all over the United States, and 3244 square feet is giant compared to where they're coming from. But here, like, not everything is overly big, it's just right sized, if that makes any sense. Here is the kitchen. What do you think of this kitchen, Patrice? Look at this island, it's huge.
It is a good size island, and it's really pretty too, not to mention, but I like this kitchen. I think it's plenty big enough. It's got tons of cabinet space.
Yeah, you've got the uppers and the lowers, different colors, so the two-tone. You've got this nice colored wood. I like how it kind of goes and offsets with the white oak, wide plank flooring, and then you've got the white cabinetry up on top.
Yeah, plenty of cabinet space. That's for sure.
Plenty of cabinets. You got a 5-burner cooktop. This is just a double oven and a microwave. It's a really good spot.
I like the little bar area kind of over there too, with some cabinets.
The snack closet is not going to be Costco approved, but it's definitely going to hold nice goodies. And speaking of goodies, HEB is not too far from here. So this is what I was talking about. Downstairs media room, right off of the kitchen.
Like right off the kitchen. Yeah, that's nice.
So good size. So a lot of our clients are looking for that downstairs media and stuff, and they're in this sort of price range, but it's hard to find, especially in this location.
A downstairs media?
Exactly, yeah. Being that, you know, they want that 5th bedroom, they want 5 bedrooms, they want a downstairs media, but usually with a Highland type home, you're talking 900 plus, right? Especially in like a big, nice master plan community like Cambridge Crossing. Look at this. Love the high ceilings here. You've got a corner brick fireplace. And just a nice size space. If you don't want like a formal dining, you can really spread this thing out.
Oh yeah, I wasn't even thinking about dining when you said that, but you're right.
Yeah, well, kind of over there is where you would put your dining traditionally.
Yes.
But I mean, you can just have a lot of seating and stuff like that. Or a table, whatever is your preference.
But you're right, yeah, that is where the dining goes, because we do have a client that has this sort of layout that their dining is right there. Interesting not to have the sliders. The nice thing about that is furniture placement, which we always say.
Exactly. The The sliders, I have a love-hate relationship with them because they are really nice to look at, but that's kind of where it ends for most people.
Although you still have to keep that open because you got to get to the primary, I guess. So
Yeah.
there's some things to think about.
Here we go into the primary, speaking of. You've got a little bump out, adds a couple more feet.
Baby bump out.
Baby bump. It's the baby bump. But a good sized room. This is what I mean by that. Not everything is just overly big or oversized. It's just the right size.
Oh
That
yeah,
makes
this is
sense.
plenty of space for all the, big bed and dressers and all the stuff you need.
And a prime example would be this primary ensuite.
Yeah,
You've got
this
everything
is-
just kind of sandwiched together. It doesn't feel cramped. It just is not as spacious as some. You've got your dual sinks. You've got your makeup section. You've got your standalone bathtub and a shower.
Yeah, you got all the things.
You've got all the
need.
things. You've got all the things, guys.
Yes, you do. And then
And then you've got this closet, which again is not like over the top big, but plenty of size, especially if you put in, like take it all away and do all that California closet stuff. So far so good. I think, like I said, for a lot of people that are looking, this is a great family home. You've got great schools. You're in a great centralized location of Salina. You're right off of the tollway.
they've got a social director which plans a ton of events, and
Yeah.
it's a lot of fun.
If you're familiar with Mustang Lakes at all, it's the same developer. So one thing that you'll notice though, there isn't a home office.
No.
So one, you can make that bedroom a home office, or maybe you don't need one, I don't know. Let's go upstairs and check out the 3 bedrooms and see what they have going on up there.
Okay, so here's a good, nice gaming area right here.
Very nice size. Again, you're gonna have that noise pollution, but it is what it is. That's kind of what you're gonna expect in this price point, because it's just, they use every square inch of this place. If you come down here, you're going to have 2 bedrooms. This one has its own ensuite with a bathtub.
Ensuite with bathtub.
And then you have a closet over here, and it has attic access.
Oh, interesting. Okay, and then it's a good sized room though.
Yeah, very good size.
I like the way they kind of have like an entrance right there too.
And then you've got the bathroom here that kind of serves the game area, as well as this bedroom over here.
Oh yeah, this bedroom is bigger.
Yes.
And then it's got that little niche area over there. And I'm assuming that's probably where the closet is.
It is.
So we might as well take a look. Decent sized closet. I like this big window though, it's nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you've got one more bedroom. It's on the other side.
We'll take a look at this, just all the cool little niches and design elements there. It's kind of cool.
Here you go with the other ensuite in the bathroom. In the bedroom.
Very good. And as you can tell, they're still fixing things up in here.
Yep. And then you got a walk-in closet there, and then again, a decently sized bedroom. So this is perfect for a young family. Like I said, you've got great schools, you've got a great community activity director. They put on tons of events. An equity position, this is a great investment. You're a mile off of the tollway. You're just far enough to where you don't hear it, but close enough to where you can just jump on. Eventually, once that comes in there, and they're building it right now. You are about 45, 50 minutes into downtown, about 40 minutes or so to the airports, 20 minutes into that Frisco-Plano border, where all the headquarters are and all that stuff. So this is a great location, and bang for your buck for $700,000. I don't think you can really beat it with the Highland quality and all that good stuff. 5 bedrooms, 3,200 square feet. So smash that like button if you haven't done so already. Subscribe. 70% of you have not subscribed, which just blows my mind. We are here just about every day at 5 p.m. Central Time, and We are your go-to real estate team right here in North Texas. We would love the opportunity to help you out, and to do so, reach out on that Dream Home form below. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to North Texas, click that Dream Home form below and tell us what you're looking for. We tour these homes every single day, and we'd love to help you get it right.